Have you ever wondered how to generate your own AI podcast? Well, in this tutorial, I will show you just that. First of all, you will have to go to Jellypod AI. I will leave the link in the description and then either sign up or log into your existing account. You can do that using your Google account. Now, Jellypod offers multiple subscription plans, starting with the basic, which is free, all of these features. So after you log into your account, you will be redirected to your own dashboard in which you can create a new podcast. I have already done a test podcast, which I will show you later. But for now, let's create a new one from scratch. You will find a button here that says create a podcast, or you can go through view all and then create a new podcast. Now give your podcast a title and a description. Now you'll have to set up the website that your podcast will be deployed on. You can either use their free .jellypod.ai domain or you can add a custom domain. For this case, since we're using the free plan, we will stick with that and use their own domain. So give it a name, and then in the advanced settings, you can give your X profile URL, LinkedIn profile URL on all of these URLs here. Will not be using that. Now, for the podcast hosts, at first when you start, you will only have this Eric guy as your host. You can add new host just by clicking create new host and then either manually configuring your host or use the generate host button here. Create generate host. You will get all of this. Now you can choose a voice for your host. Let's go with this one. And then create host. After you do that, you will see that your host has been added to your hosts list. After you do that, just go back, refresh hosts, and then you can add all of your hosts, or you can choose one or two, however you want. Just for this case, we'll be using Clara and Eric. After you do that, just click on the create podcast button. Before we continue with this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel as that will help us a lot. Thank you. Just give it a bit of time to generate and then you will be redirected to your podcast page. Now, once you have your podcast created, you can start creating new episode. Click on the create new episode button and then either give a brief description of your episode and how you want it to be, or you can include URLs or files to explain better. For the simplicity's sake, we will be just given a few descriptions and then hit enter. Click on create outline and let it generate. And just like that, you got your generated outline. You can of course edit it however you want. It's all configurable and play around with it. As I said, for the simplicity's sake, I will not be configuring anything. After you do that, just click on generate script and wait for it to generate a script for your first episode. Give it a bit of time. Now, after a while of generating, you will get your first transcript. You can read it, change it again, and do whatever you want with it. After you do that, just click on generate audio for the first episode of your podcast to start generating. Just give it a bit of time, and just like that, you got your first episode generated. You can listen to it.
Alright, so let's take it all the way back to the origin of Bitcoin. Hurdle at the time today into a global pizza order.
Back in 2010, it was just a clever way.
And after that, you can render and publish your episode. Just click on render and publish episode and check if you want to automatically load the video after publishing. And just like that, guys, you are now able to generate your AI podcast quickly and easily thanks to Jellypod. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have created your podcast after this video, just share it in the comment section so we can all check it out. And I will be seeing you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.